Hi guys, RETROCENGO here, unboxing a Jersey Jack's Pirates of the Caribbean Collectors Edition. I'm so excited about this one. So join me and let's take a look. Let's unpack the manual, guys. I think this one is only included with the Collector's Edition. Oh, that looks amazing, guys. Look at this. It weighs about 3 kilos. Instead of just a CD. Man, this is awesome from Jersey Jack. Guys, the famous topper. I think there are only 200 of these made. Look at the topper, guys. It looks amazing. And the pirate stamp over there. Collector's edition, guys. Isn't she just beautiful? It's just an amazing artwork on this cabinet. This one has got installed Radcal's cabinet protectors here. Doesn't cost that much. It's a really good idea to protect your new pinball machine. And it's also on the front and of course on the back box also. I really like these. Looks amazing, guys. Also up here, small details. Jersey Jack. It's from December last year. Alright guys, the magic moment. There we go. Yeah. Oh guys, look at this. We're gonna install Playfield protector. It looks amazing. Gonna disassemble the whole Playfield to install the Playfield protector. This is only on the Collector's Edition. Looks great. We are just about to get ready to install the Playfield protector. As you can see, most of the parts are off, but still got a long way to go. Just want to show this one. This mini engine makes the pirates spin around when we hit the pop bumper area. And the ship is located over here. Pops up here, it feeds to the ship. The chest is off here, and I can just hold it up and install the protector under. Here you can see how the shot is. Back here. The clear coat job is really nice on this one. Oh, also need to take off the flippers, of course. Looks great, guys. This is actually the underside of the ship with the 2 flippers and the cannon that shoots here. Middle ramp exits, right ramp, maelstrom, left ramp, top of the ship, the pirate guy. We got a lot of parts here. Alright guys, the Playfield protector has been installed and it looks amazing now. This is gonna protect this lovely Playfield forever. We had to take off the dead man's chest because we didn't have room to install it, but as you can see, it looks amazing. All right, now this one has to be reassembled, so let's talk about my opinion about the Jersey Jack machines and the different models that they have released through the years. Let's talk a bit about Jersey Jack Pinball. Now, we were all used to new Stern machines with unfinished codes and quality issues and all that. And for about 5 years ago, we got this pinball from Jersey Jack Pinball, the Wizard of Oz. I mean, us old pinball players, we could recognize the flipper mechanics and all that. It really felt like the old Ballard Williams machines. This was Jersey Jack's first pinball machine. My personal opinion was the theme. Now, I'm from Denmark. I'm not, I didn't watch Wizard of Oz. I don't know the theme. So I was like, well, the pinball looks awesome. First of all, it's a white body. I love white body machines. And it was just filled up with toys. But again, the theme, the music, I watched some YouTube videos. I wasn't that interested in this machine until the day I tried it for the first time. Oh my God. I mean, those two shots in the middle are actually like, almost like on Twilight Zone. I really love those shots, and the quality of it, being the white body, all the different RGB color LEDs. I think this one was back from 2014, but I'm not sure. This one was just mind-blowing. I mean, oh my God, what a pinball machine. So I don't like the theme. It says nothing to me, but gameplay wise, quality of the build quality and all that, I really love everything from Jersey Jack Pinball. Let's take a look at the next pinball they came up with. The next one was the Hobbit. Again from Jersey Jack, again a white body. I love those white body machines. And this one got bashed on the reviews because people said that the Playfield was empty. As you can see, all the shots, I mean, we have the drop down target, so many shots over here. Again, those two ramps, I don't know if it's the same designer, but yeah, just like the Wizard of Oz, same shots. But this one has got 4 pop-up targets, just like on the what's it called, Medieval Madness. And if you really played those 4 pop-up targets and, you know, these rollover targets that spells lock to activate ball locks and all that, I really don't feel this game is empty, or some says it's boring and all that, but that's not my opinion. I love the theme. I love the movies. It's just, I love the music. I love the gameplay. I love the modes. So many modes on this game. It's such a deep history. I love this machine. This is one of my favorites from Jersey Jack. And it's so beautiful. I mean, I don't know where to start, guys. The artwork is just amazing on this machine. So this was Jersey Jack's second machine, and totally approved by me. I love playing the Hobbit. After this one, they actually made a standard body machine. Let's take a look at that one too. Go! The third machine from Jersey Jack Pinball was a dialed in standard body. It's designed by one of the best designers in the world, Mr. Pat Lawler, who has given us so many incredible machines, all the way back to Earthshaker, Whirlwind, Funhouse, Addams Family, Twilight Zone. Oh my god, he's made so many awesome pinball machines. So this is Pat Lawler's machine design and the third attempt by JJP. Now this one is packed. I mean, almost every time you hit the ball, you do something awesome. You hit a ramp, you do, I mean, gameplay wise, from the first time I tried this machine, I was just sold. It's such an awesome layout. But the theme, for me, I mean, the theme, for me, the music is 50% of the gameplay. And I don't know, it doesn't catch my attention. I like the shots, I like the layout, but I'm bored when I play this game. Don't know why, but the build quality again, super nice. The phone, super nice. I mean, if you look at this, what's it called, Quantum Theater, it's got this hologram effect with a LED screen inside. It's, I don't know if it's, 2 seconds, guys.
Enjoy your new phone.
If it shows something here. No, it does not. But the quality of that is just amazing. We can take a look at how Stern does it and compare, because in here it looks amazing. I wish I could show it to you. There we go. Look at this. Looks crazy.
Shoot the theater.
There we go. It looks so nice. Let's just turn on the Stern machine and see how it looks. Let's just take a quick look at the, as you can see here, just like the Quantum Theater on the JJP. This one is from Stern. This is a Ghostbusters. And look at how it looks. I mean, you really can't compare them. It looks so amazing on a Stern, on a JJP machine against the one on the Ghostbusters. This is a Ghostbusters premium version, because the Pro version does not have that Quantum Theater thingy. I don't know what's it called in this one. Fun game though, fun game. But yeah, this is how it looks, guys. Let's take a look at the next game from game number 4, Pirates of the Caribbean. This is a limited edition version. What to say? I have played this game and I love everything about it. The light show, the music, the sound effects, the call outs, the ramps, the spinning disc, the ship, everything. Everything is just, it's an amazing accomplishment. It's just the ball lock alone, the way it mechanically shoots the ball up and locks in the chest. Eric Minier has really watched all the movies and he has included so many awesome things from the movies. I mean, this is how you just make a complete theme. It's so well done and I love this pinball machine. Most of the times, the pinball machines I prefer is actually classic belly games where you can play 2-player games on and have fast ball times, and that's about it, and have a blast playing 2 players on. I love that. But if you just want to have one game in your home, 1 game, 2 games, maybe a few games set up, you know, then this one is just one of the best games to own, guys, because it's still an early machine, but the code is just so complete, so deep, so many awesome things to do. I love this pin.